Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to use the Shark Carpet Expert. So this is going to be a complete video, and I'm just going to show you the Shark Carpet Expert vacuum that I have, but most of the models should follow a similar setup pattern. So this is the one that I have. Guys, this is the Shark Carpet Expert. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to pop the tank up top first, and then we're going to go ahead and fill it up to the water line right over here. Now, of course, you don't have to fill it up to this line, but do keep in mind the actual kind of ratios. So this is how much water is going to be put in. This is how much concentrate is going to be put in. Now, this is the concentrate that I'm going to be using. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. Now, if we go ahead and start to fill this up, that should be good enough. So again, you don't have to fill it up to the line, but just keep in mind the actual ratios. So now we're going to go ahead and add our Shark Carpet Expert Deep Clean solution. And now once that's been added, what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and close this up. And we're just going to make sure that it's really tight. And then we're going to pop it back in upside down. Now that's set up. We're going to go ahead and vacuum our area. So as far as setup goes, I like to make sure I vacuum the area first. So what we're going to do is that we're actually going to deep clean this portion of our hallway. So normally vacuuming the area just kind of helps it so that not so much debris gets into the Shark Carpet Expert. But now let's go ahead and find a wall outlet. So I'm going to plug it in. Now, before we actually go ahead and turn this on, there's two modes that you should keep in mind of. When you push the vacuum forward, it's going to dispense some solution while sucking it up. But then when you pull it back, it's only going to suck up. Okay. Now, as far as the two modes go, you have let me show you clearer. You have a deep clean mode and you have a quick dry mode. So we're going to run the carpet about 1 to 2 times with the deep clean mode. And then we're going to press the mode select button. And then we're going to use the quick dry mode to go ahead and actually dry up the carpet. So the vacuum itself, it just bends over like that. And now we're going to go ahead and start pressing on the power button right over here. And you can see we're on deep clean mode. Now we're going to go ahead and switch modes because we want to go ahead and dry the carpet now. So now you can see at the bottom there that we have basically some solution. So let's go ahead and remove this and we're just going to empty it out a bit. And that's pretty much it. So I'll have another video talking about how to go ahead and clean the Shark Tank Expert. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.